Thunderstorm warning for southeastern Denton County in north central Texas, southwestern Collin County in north central Texas, northern Dallas County in north central Texas until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:03 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Euless, moving east at 40 miles per hour. The storm has a history of producing quarter to half-dollar-sized hail. Hazard, half-dollar-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Dallas, Plano, Garland, Irving, Grand Prairie, Mesquite, Carrollton, Richardson, Louisville, Allen, Rowlett, Wiley, Coppell, The Colony, Farmers Branch, University Park, Satch C, Addison, Highland Park and Murphy. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35E between mile markers 433 and 448. Interstate 30 between mile markers 58 and 64. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.